Okay, this part I'm going to help you with the organized data table. I like to put mine to the right so that I could change the size of my columns as much as I can. And I'm going to show you how to complete this. So I already started just by putting in the weights. And I said, okay, weight 1 was 14.3, weight 2 was 19.12, weight 3 was 27, then weight 4, you get the concept. I put them all the way down. So my organized data table is going to be organizing each of these. So the first one's going to be average time in seconds. All right. And so to do that, but actually let's put all the titles in. Average time in seconds. And what we really could do is we can actually copy all of these, average time, average speed, work, and power, and paste them right there. Now, we could see that it's not very nice looking. So I'm going to grab in between L and M. You can see it kind of changes colors. Or changes shapes. So I can drag this a little bit over. Now I can kind of see it more clearly. There we go. If you want to change the background colors, you can. But this looks pretty nice. Okay. So average time. This gets tricky. Equals, and then you're going to type in average. Start the word average and just click on the word. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the average of the 3 times for 14.3 seconds. So the average of those 3. So it should end up being F3 to F5. Close the parentheses and press enter. Now, very important, you cannot autofill. Repeat, you cannot autofill. Okay? Let's put that there. So we're going to do this over and over. So I'm going to do average, and again, it wants to outsmart you. Don't click on that. Just click on the regular average. And then I'm going to do these 3 for 19.12 ounces. What were the 3? Oops. The 3 times right here. Okay, for 19.12. So that should be F6 to F8. Then I'm going to do average again. Equals average. And I'm going to do these 3 for 27 ounces. That's F9 to F11. Then I'm going to do equals average. And now I'm going to do the ones for 34.35 ounces. Okay, close the parentheses, press equals. Then I'm going to do equals average of these 3. Close the parentheses. That's F15 to F17. And finally equals average of those 3. Now, depending on how many different weights you got to, yours could keep going, but you just continue to follow that pattern. Now, we cannot autofill going down, but we can autofill going left to right. So the reason why we couldn't autofill going down is because I'm only going down 1 cell, but my average is going down 3 cells. I didn't understand. But I can autofill going to the right because my columns are 1 cell to the right here and 1 to the right here. So it's going to find the average of G3 to G5, which is those 3, which is exactly what I want. And I'm going to click here and go to work and go to power. And now I have my average for everything. Go back to this average time, grab your format ball, make sure it turns into a cross, click and drag just directly horizontal. Do it for the next one, and the next one. Keep going until you finish the whole table. Highlight this entire table, click on the borders, all borders. I like to have all of my things look the same. So I'm going to highlight them all, and I'm going to put my, just give it a little bit of a gray tone. So I picked the 5th gray, it's just called gray. Now you can tell that this is my titles. If you want, you can continue to space these out so that it fits the way you like it the best. You don't have to. All right, but I like the way it looks if I do that. Now all of these are a good shape. The next video I'm going to show you is how to make all of the scatter plots, or each scatter plot, I should say. All right, thank you for watching.